Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate the gradient background color as well as the gradient text color. Okay, so sometimes we need to have a background color with the gradient effect. Okay, so that's why we actually built this tool, and you can use this tool if you are a member of our GHL SaasKits community. Then you will get the link of this page here. You can see here gradient busy and text generator. Just click here and then you will land it on this page. Here you can generate the gradient color. Okay, so let me show you the example. For example, I am going to use this color. Okay, use the pink, add this color, and then I'm going to add a blue color. Okay, is it? You can see the code already generated. All you just need to copy this code and you can use this code into your GoHighLevel page or wherever you want to use this gradient background color. Okay, and one more thing, you can also change the angle of your color. Okay, like this, whatever way you actually feel good. And also you can get the linear color or also the radial color. Okay, so let me show you. This is the radial color. Okay, so once you make these changes complete, okay, all your color added. If you want to add more color, then you can also do that. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so if you want to use any color, you actually generate with this uh, background as a gradient background color generator. And then all you just need to copy this code snippet and then you can use it anywhere. Okay, and the same for the text gradient color. Sometimes we also need to make our text gradient to make it professional looking or give it a extra visualization of your page. Okay, so we need to make some kind of gradient text color, which you can also generate by using these tools. Okay, the same way I just showed you the previous one. For the gradient background, you can also add your own text background text gradient color. Okay, like this. And then once you're done with the changes, okay, you can also use the linear and radial color, same as the background generator. Okay, all you just need to copy this code snippet and you can use it anywhere you want to implement this text color. Okay, so we actually built this because lots of our community member are actually asking to get this type of things for our code snippet. That's why we build the tools. Okay, but this is very simple tool. You can also get a lot of free tools to do these things. But for our premium members or our free members of GHL SaasKits community, we build this. So if you are not a GHL SaasKits community member, just join here for free. Okay, and you can use these tools. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you again for watching. Have a nice day.